In this video tutorial, we are going to build the simple virtual keyboard app that you see on your screen. The app is built with the Avalonia UI framework and implements MindFusion's virtual keyboard for Avalonia component. The keyboard uses custom layout template. We create a new Avalonia C# project in Visual Studio. We choose the Community Toolkit for a design pattern. The solution creates the full set of views and view models in two projects. We won't need that many classes, so we delete both folders except one XAML view, main window. We need to edit some of the project files that reference the classes and views we just deleted. Let's try to run the sample. It shows a blank Avalonia project as it should. Time to install the virtual keyboard component by MindFusion. We search for it in the NuGet repository and add it to the project. We import the keyboard namespace, which we can see from the online documentation. Link to the documentation is available from the web page for the Avalonia virtual keyboard component at MindFusion's website. We define a stack panel as a layout container and place an instance of the virtual keyboard on it. Let's not forget we need to call the Use MindFusion Keyboard extension method in the program class. Let's try to run the sample. We get an error about version mismatch for the packages. Let's update all packages referenced in the project and see what happens. We need to update both projects. The app compiles now. So far, so good. Let's pick some lovely colors for our app. A good place to choose are the color schemes from Adobe. We run the application to check if everything is okay. It is, despite the reported errors in parsing the XAML. Let's add now a grid, which will hold a button and a text box. The button shall change the keyboard language. The text box will be used to type in it with a virtual keyboard. Let's handle the click event for the button, where we will change the language to specify a new locale, French. Now, when we press the button, the keyboard symbols change. It's time to create a custom layout for the keyboard. MindFusion offers a free online keyboard creator tool, where you can create a keyboard layout according to your needs and export it as an HTML or save it in JavaScript. We want to create a sample, compact keyboard, suitable to use for web browsing. You can add, remove, resize, and rearrange the keys on the keyboard. You can also create keys with custom input. We have two in our keyboard. One is with the .com text, and the other is with the symbol for email, @. The property grid for each key allows you to edit its location and data. Once ready, we export the keyboard layout as an XML file. We copy the file in the directory of our project, the one that contains the main window file. we will use the loaded event of the window to load the custom keyboard layout into the app. We use the create method of the keyboard layout class, which returns an object to be assigned to the template layout property. When you open the file, if it renders all text on a single row, you can open it in a browser and copy the formatted content into the XML file. The Designer window shows some errors. The designer looks for the XML file into the main directory of the project, so let's copy the file there as well. We add some styling to the virtual keyboard. We use some beautiful blue colors and the Resources tag to define appearance properties for the keyboard and XAML. Our keyboard looks great now. Let's try it. The special symbols are there and all the keys seem to work properly. And this is the end of this video tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your interest in MindFusion Developer Tools.